In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Payhip subscription support. Let's start from your Payhip dashboard. Go ahead and log in using your usual account details. And once you're in, you'll be on the main dashboard page. From here, we're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. Take your time and keep scrolling until you reach the footer section. In this footer, you'll see several links. Look for the one labeled support and click on it. Clicking that support link will open a new web page, which is Payhip's Help Center. This is where they keep all their guides, FAQs, and support information. At the top of this Help Center page, you'll see a search field. Click inside that search bar, type the word contact, and then hit enter on your keyboard to start the search. Once the results load, you'll see several articles related to contacting support. From the list, find the article titled How to Contact Payhip Support and click on that. This article is important because it explains how their support works. At the top, you'll usually see their current support hours and their typical response times, so you'll know when to expect a reply. Now, scroll down within that article until you find the section called Contacting Support. In this part, Payhip will often remind you to first search their Help Center guides for your question. That's because many common issues are already answered there. However, if you've checked the guides and still can't find what you need about your subscription, billing, upgrades, or cancellations, this is where they'll explain how to reach their team directly, usually by email. When you're ready to contact them, open your email app or website and start a new message. For the subject line, you can write something clear and specific, such as help with Payhip subscription. A clear subject helps their support team quickly understand what your message is about. In the body of your email, make sure you include the email address you use for your Payhip account, as well as your store name or username. This information helps them locate your account faster. Then describe your issue in a calm, detailed way. Mention whether it's related to a subscription problem, billing questions, upgrading your plan, canceling a subscription, or anything similar. The more precise you are, the easier it will be for them to help you in their first reply. Once you've reviewed your message, send the email and wait for their response within the support hours mentioned in the Help Center.